air compressor. An air compressor is a versatile and essential tool used in various applications, from powering pneumatic tools to inflating tires. This document provides an overview of air compressors, including their types, working principles, applications, and maintenance tips. Understanding these aspects can help users select the right compressor and ensure optimal performance. Types of air compressors. Air compressors come in several types, each suited for different applications. Reciprocating air compressors. These are positive displacement compressors that use a piston to compress air. They are commonly used in workshops and for small-scale applications. Rotary screw compressors. These compressors use two rotating screws to compress air. They are efficient and suitable for continuous operation, making them ideal for industrial applications. Centrifugal compressors. Utilizing a rotating disc, these compressors increase air pressure through centrifugal force. They are typically used in large-scale operations, such as power plants. Diaphragm compressors. These compressors use a diaphragm to compress air and are often used in applications requiring high purity, such as medical and laboratory settings. Working principle. The basic working principle of an air compressor involves drawing in air and compressing it to increase its pressure. This process can be broken down into several stages. Intake. Ambient air is drawn into the compressor through an intake valve. Compression. The air is compressed using a piston, screw, or diaphragm, depending on the type of compressor. Cooling. The compressed air is often hot, so it may pass through a cooling system to reduce its temperature. Storage. The compressed air is stored in a tank for later use, where it can be released as needed. Applications. Air compressors are used in a wide range of applications, including construction, powering pneumatic tools like nail guns and jackhammers. Automotive, inflating tires and powering air tools for repairs. Manufacturing, supplying air for machinery and processes. HVAC, assisting in the operation of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Medical, providing compressed air for respiratory devices and other medical equipment. Maintenance tips. To ensure the longevity and efficiency of an air compressor, regular maintenance is crucial. Here are some tips. Check oil levels. For all lubricated compressors, regularly check and change the oil as needed. Inspect filters. Clean or replace air filters to maintain airflow and efficiency. Drain the tank. Regularly drain moisture from the air tank to prevent rust and corrosion. Monitor pressure gauges and adjust settings as necessary. Schedule professional servicing. Consider having a professional inspect and service the compressor periodically. Conclusion. Air compressors are invaluable tools that serve various industries and applications. By understanding the different types, working principles, and maintenance requirements, users can make informed decisions and ensure their compressors operate effectively. Whether for personal or professional use, selecting the right air compressor can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency.